Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we will make an unboxing with the JBL Partybox Encore Essential 2. I will make a sound test, I will make a loudness test, and of course I will make a bass test with this speaker. I just bought it, it is just brand new, and at the end of this video we will see how good it is, because for $250, so $250 it cost me, I think this is a very good speaker. So let's make the unboxing first and then the sound tests. This is the JBL Partybox Encore Essential 2. So what we have in the box? In the box we have another box that contains the manual that no one reads and a power cable, and that's it. Unfortunately, compared to the JBL Partybox Encore 2, this doesn't have the microphone, the wireless microphone that the JBL Partybox Encore 2 comes with. We have here the JBL Partybox Encore 2, and here we have the JBL Partybox On The Go Essential. So this is the speaker. So we see the new JBL logo, similar with the JBL On The Go Essential and with the JBL Partybox Encore 2. Of course it has the Aura Cast multi-connection button, but compared to the JBL Partybox Encore 2, you see this handle, it is rubber, while this is a plastic rubber. Let's turn it on to see how it will start. So compared to the JBL Partybox Encore 2, we see here that it doesn't have the LED strip. It only has this little light, a little stroboscope light. Of course it has the bass boost, it has 2 levels of bass boost, it has the 5.25 inch woofer and 2 tweeters, and on the back we will not see the place where we have the removable battery. We only have the inputs and the place where you can connect it to the power source. The place where you will find the battery, it is here underneath this plastic cap. It looks good, it looks modern, it's similar with the new JBL design. It's not that heavy, it has 100 watts of power, it should have bass, it should have good sound, and I really like that we have this plastic handle compared to the rubber handle on the JBL Partybox Encore 2. Of course it doesn't have the wireless microphone, but probably not many of us use it. And the price of the JBL Partybox Encore Essential 2 cost $250, while the JBL Partybox Encore 2 cost $400. And of course the JBL Partybox Encore Essential 2, it is compatible with the JBL Partybox app. We need to upgrade the software, and it is on the JBL signature. Of course we can custom the equalizer as we want, but I will leave it flat and set to the JBL signature, because the JBL signature, it is the sound that I like the most. So for the sound test, I have placed at around 2 meters apart from the speaker a decibel meter. We will put it on DBC and we're gonna play the volume at the maximum level.
The chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no abundant. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror, there's no friend of
I really love that we can see the volume on the woofer. In my opinion, it is a very good thing. So it reached 97.4 decibels. Now let's play with the speaker plugged in the power source. Let's reset the decibel meter. So lights, DBC, because we want to measure the intensity, and let's play the song.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
So the JBL Partybox Encore Essential 2 recorded a maximum peak of 101.6 when it is connected to the power source, and only 97.4 when it is connected only via the internal battery. So we have 4 decibels more when it is on the power cable. Now let's do the 100 to 5 Hz to see how low this speaker will get in bass. So that was the bass test, 100 Hz through 5 Hz, and I can definitely tell you that I am amazed by the power. So we have the measurements, and the measurements looks very good. So only on battery it recorded a maximum peak of 97.4 decibels. When it was connected to the power source, it increased in power with 4 decibels through 101.6. So you can definitely tell that it is much louder and much more intense than only on battery. But this is how all these JBL Partybox speakers that have internal battery does. And of course we put the 100 Hz to 5 Hz, and the maximum power we get at around 40 to 50 Hz, and after that it will stop decreasing the power, and at 20 it doesn't have power almost at all. I can definitely tell you that it sounds very good. You can definitely do an indoor party with only one JBL Partybox Encore Essential 2, and I really recommend you. For me, for $250 to get lights, to get internal battery, to get this kind of bass and loudness, this is the perfect speaker. I don't know another speaker that has this much power at only $250, and of course to give us this sound quality. So in my opinion this is a good buy, but I am very curious what are your opinion, because there are many speakers in the world. So feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers.